Hello children, today we are going to learn subtraction facts. As you all know, subtraction means taking away and minus is the side of subtraction. So today we are going to learn subtraction facts of 1, subtraction facts of 2, subtraction facts of 3 and subtraction facts of 4. So let's start with subtraction facts of 1. For this we need any one object. So I am taking here one button. Okay. So we have how many buttons over here? 1. So our first number is 1. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus, and minus means taking away. So we will take away, but in the first question I am not taking away anything. 1 minus I am not taking away anything means 0. From 1 we have taken away nothing. So 1 minus 0 is equal to, how many are left over here? 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Now let's move on to our second subtraction fact of 1. So we have how many buttons over here? 1. So we will write here 1. 1 is our first number. Sign of subtraction is minus, and minus means taking away. So from 1, now we will take away 1. So from 1 we have taken away how many? 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We have 0 buttons left. So there are two addition facts of 1. 1 minus 0, when we had 1 and from 1 we have taken away nothing, so 1 were left. 1 minus 1, when we had 1 and from 1 we have taken away 1, 0 were left. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will move on to the subtraction facts of 2. So for this we need 2 buttons. Here we have 2 buttons. So our first number will be 2. 2 minus nothing. I am not taking away anything in the first subtraction fact. So 2 minus 0 is equal to, how many are left over here? Correct, 2. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now let's move on to the second subtraction fact of 2. We have how many buttons over here? 2. So our first number will be 2 minus. Now I am going to take away one button from here. So from 2 we have taken away how many? 1 is equal to, how many buttons are left over here now? 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. From 2, when we have taken away 1, only 1 is left. So now our second subtraction fact is also over. Now let's move on to the third subtraction fact of 2. So again we need 2 buttons. We have 2 buttons over here. So our first number will be 2. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus. From these 2 we have taken away 2. We have taken away 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. because we have nothing left over here. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So there are 2 subtraction facts of 1. There are 3 subtraction facts of 2. Now let's move on to the subtraction facts of 3. So for this we need 3 buttons. So we will keep here 3 buttons. So our first number will be 3. From 3 we have taken away nothing. We are not taking away anything from these 3 buttons. So 3 minus 0 is equal to, how many are left? 3. From 3 we have taken away 0. So 3 are left. 0 means nothing. So from 3 we have taken away nothing. So 3 are left. Now let's move on to our second subtraction fact of 3. So we have 3 buttons. So we will write here 3. From this 3 we will take away 1. So we have removed 1 button. So 3 minus 1 is equal to, how many buttons are left? 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So our second subtraction fact is also over. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now let's move on to our third subtraction facts, for which we again need 3 buttons. So we have 3 buttons over here. So 3 minus, now we will take away 2 buttons. So how many we have removed, how many we have taken away? 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to, how many are left? 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now we have one more subtraction fact left of 3. So again we need 3 buttons. So our first number will be 3. Now from these 3 we will take away all the 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to, how many are left? Nothing. Means 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So now let's move on to our fourth subtraction facts, that is subtraction facts of 4. So for that we need 4 buttons. So we have 4 buttons over here. So our first number will be 4 minus, we are taking away nothing. So 4 minus nothing, we are not removing anything. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Now let's do our second subtraction fact of 4. So we have 4 buttons over here. So we will write here 4 minus, now we will remove 1. So from 4 I have removed 1. So how many are left? So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now let's move on to the next subtraction fact of 4. So for that again we need 4 buttons. So our first number will be 4. 4. From this 4, first we have taken away nothing. Then we have taken away 1. Now we will take away, correct, 2. So from this 4, we will take away 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to, how many are left? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now we have more subtraction facts left of 4. So again we need 4 buttons. So our first number will be 4 minus. First we have removed 0, then we have taken away 1, then we have taken away 2. So now we will take away 3. So from 4 we will take away 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to, how many are left over here? Yes, correct. It is 1. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now we have one more subtraction fact left. So for that we need again 4 buttons. So we have 4 buttons. So 4 minus, now we are going to remove all the 4. 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we finished with our subtraction fact of 4. So subtraction fact of 1 is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We have 2 subtraction facts for number 1. Now subtraction facts of 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have 3 subtraction facts for 2. Now subtraction facts of 3. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We have 4 subtraction facts for 3. Now subtraction facts of 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We have 5 subtraction facts of 4.
Subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Fun Learning Hub!